Hey there creative souls, welcome back to Resin Bud, where we explore wonderful world of resin art. Today let's create a gorgeous white and gold marble look table clock. So let's get started. So I'm mixing colors first, taking some white opaque, then mixing gold mica powder. Here is a tip for you guys, always start with lesser amount of color, never take too much color from starting. Okay, now I have already prepared the MDF. If you are interested to know how I did it, I have already made a video on this. You can watch it by clicking on I button above. So after ensuring that my surface is leveled, I am pouring the white color on MDF. Now I am using silicone brush to spread the resin evenly across the surface, making sure that I have covered the entire surface. Now with gold, I am creating some thin lines. You can experiment with different patterns. Remember, each piece of marble is unique, so don't be afraid to let your creativity flow. Before we go further, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. After that, I am using heat gun to blend this. Then again creating some lines with gold, but this time not going to blend this. After achieving my desired look, we're going to leave this to cure. Look how beautifully marble texture has come out. So now our clock is ready to attach numbers. Now I'm using this half pearls as numbers. After placing them, pouring clear resin over it. Now let it cure for 24 hours. Now let's attach the clock mechanism to this. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting resin art projects.